everybody. Welcome back to the screencast. It's day 2 of our geometry unit, and today it's triangles. Welcome to Maths You Should Know. Let's just dive right in. Yesterday, we learned how to find the area of a parallelogram, and draw one. It's perfect, of course. Dot, 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 dot. Right angle shape tells us both the height and the base. We knew that to find the area of that parallelogram, you needed to take base times height, and that's going to equal area. And in my example here, let's just say our base is 10 and our height is 4. I would do 10 times 4, and the area will be 40. And let's just say units squared. And that's how you did that. That relates very closely to what we're doing today because, let me erase. People love when I erase. Triangles are simply half of a parallelogram. So if I'm finding the area of a parallelogram as base times height, and the triangle's half, wouldn't I just divide by 2? And that would tell me the area of a triangle. And of course, we're going to square that when we get an actual number. Let's work on this actual triangle we have right in this example. Our base, it's labeled for us, but in case I didn't know where it was, I'm taking a look at that little symbol there, that right angle symbol that tells me where the base touches the height. And okay, let's take a look at how many squares are in the base. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to enter 6. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply times 4. Divide that by 2. 6 times 4, what is that? That's right, it's 24. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. And I'm going to label this 12. Get rid of that. Units, because I'm not sure what measurement I'm using. It could be inches, it could be square feet, it could be miles, it could be centimeters. We don't know. So we're just going to call it a unit, and of course that is squared. That's how you find the area of a triangle. And another thing that we did today is we find a missing piece of a triangle. In this case, the base is missing. We don't know what it is. Let's just fill in the blanks. I know the base is, well, we don't know what that is. Times 6 divided by 2, and that should equal 24, which I got right there. That's the area. So, all right, let's get rid of that divided by 2 first. What is the opposite operation? Isn't it multiplication? Let's multiply it by 2. And if I do it on that side, I'm going to do it on this side. Okay, great. So that crosses out, leaving me b times 6 equals 48. So far, so good. Now, I want to isolate the variable, so I am going to get rid of this multiply by 6, and I do that by dividing by 6. And if I do it to that side, I'm going to do it to this side too. This cancels each other out, leaving me with b equals, what is 48 divided by 6? Let's think about it. It's 8. Let's go back and check. 8 times 6 is 48. Divided by 2, got that right there, is 24. So the answer is 24. And see that, let's label this. See, we're working in centimeters. It's centimeters, but not squared, because the base is simply a line that ran from there to there. We're not looking for the area, just that line. Ladies and gentlemen, that's working with triangles, finding missing pieces, finding the area. As always, feel free to subscribe, feel free to like, feel free to email me with questions, and also talk to me with questions in class. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. S signing off. That was the Maths You Should Know.